Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Make sure you're working on a flat, static-free surface. Begin by powering off your HP 240G8 and unplugging it from any power source. Next, remove the battery cover. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws that hold the cover in place. Keep these screws safe, as you will need them later. After the screws are removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to gently pry the battery cover away from the laptop. Be cautious to avoid damaging any clips that may be holding it in place. Once the cover is removed, locate the battery. It should be easily identifiable, as it's usually a rectangular component. Before proceeding to disconnect the battery, ensure that you are grounded by wearing the anti-static wrist strap. This minimizes the risk of static electricity damaging your laptop's internal components. Disconnect the battery by gently pulling the connector away from the motherboard. You may need to wiggle it slightly if it's snug. After the battery is disconnected, carefully lift it out of the laptop. At this point, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop with a soft brush or compressed air. This will improve airflow and the overall performance of your device. Now it's time to install the new battery. Place the new battery into the compartment, ensuring it aligns correctly with the connectors. Once it's in position, connect the battery to the motherboard, pressing down firmly until it clicks into place. Before replacing the cover, double-check that everything is secure and that no wires are pinched. If you're not comfortable performing this replacement or don't have the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Additionally, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about transportation. No calls, no travel, just a simple and stress-free service. With the new battery in place, replace the battery cover by aligning it with the laptop's chassis. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure each screw is tightened adequately, but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the cover or the screws. Finally, power on your HP 240G8 to ensure that the new battery is functioning properly. Check the battery status in your operating system settings to confirm it is recognized and charging correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before any repair, ensuring you stay informed and in control of your service options. With your battery replaced, you can now enjoy extended usage time on your HP 240G8 without any interruptions. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.